Well, good morning to y'all. We're driving down bumpy North Mine Road at Little San Domingo. It's a little bit bumpy here and rocky, and we're heading up the road here, and I've got some folks with me behind me. Jim and his girlfriend just bought a GPX 6000, so we're going to go out and do a little training out here. That mountain you see in the background is Red Picacho. Pretty cool story on that place. I'll take you there sometime and show you to you. But anyway, good morning, and I'll get back with you when I show a little training, which I probably won't do. A lot of people don't like to be in the videos, but I will do some hunting afterwards. And maybe even get a nugget. Who knows? Talk to you in a minute. Alrighty, we got a target right here. Faint one. Hope you can hear it. I turned the headphones off. Pretty loud, not very deep. Still there. Okay, we moved it. I believe I turned these headphones off. No, I didn't. There you go. I'm sorry. Now you should be able to hear it. Hear it? You can hear his machine going off right over there. But nice target. In the hand. Always put that dirt pile close. Still in there. Hard to hear over that. Oh, he sounds like he's going over a cannonball. Doesn't have the headphones on. I like better with headphones. I hear a lot better. And I try to make that clear to everybody. It's staying in the scoop pretty good. I'm going to call either a BB or gold, but it's a BB. Just a tiny little BB. Here. Yahoo. Off we go. We've got an absolute screamer here. You hear him in the background being blown away by how small the stuff he's digging. I'm going to have to go after this one with a pick. It's a good sized target. Hope it's a nugget. Okay, let's see what we got here. Well, we got it out of the hole. That didn't take much work. Huh. Right here. Oh, right there it is. Oh, look at that. Now that, my friends, that is very interesting. See how the end's been crimped over? Somebody crimped that over on purpose. And it's got something in it. It's full right to the top. I can feel it shaking. A lot of times the old-time miners kept their gold in these things. Can it be just dirt in there, or is there gold in there? When we get back to the office, we'll see. That's a cool find. That's only the second one of those I've ever found. Crimped like that. That's pretty neat. Make sure there's nothing in there. Well, that's pretty neat right there. Huh. You never know what you'll find out here. I wonder if some old timer dropped that and had his gold in it. Well, it's getting raining pretty good out here. I got a target right in here. Let's see what we got. We're hearing his machine. He's just not very far from me. I'm training him, so he's pretty close. He's right in there. I think I got it. I'll just calm this down a little. It's raining pretty good. I think I might have to give it up for the day. Right there, whatever it is, right in there. Huh. Hey, it couldn't have been much cheaper. That's bedrock right there. Yeah, I don't see a BB yet. Don't see any gold either. Yes, I do. There's a piece right there. Look at there. I don't even have to get it wet. We got water right there. But look at there. There's a piece of gold. Yep, piece of San Domingo gold. A little bit dirty, but it's gold. I think also shows Jim. Plus I got that vial that may have, that bullet shell, that may have gold in it. Wouldn't that be cool? Well, these on and off rainstorms are kind of annoying, but by golly, I did get a little nugget, didn't I? It makes me happy. And this thing is going to be cool. What if it's full of gold? I have found one that had gold in it before. The old timers used to crimp those and keep their gold in them. We'll see. We'll open this up when we get home. So, I'm just going to drive up here and show these folks another good spot to hunt. And then I'm going to head on back to the house and open that puppy up. Alrighty, here we are back at the shop. And this is my store, by the way. It's a mess right now still. I'm still working on getting it cleaned up, but we'll have it done soon. And right now we're going to open that shell casing we found. I'll show you another one I found out there too. So let's set the camera down. Alrighty, this may not be the best light in the world. Here's another old shell I found a while back. This one's pretty cool too. It is a, I don't know if I can even read that, a 45 Colt. Not sure how old that is, but it doesn't look real new. And it was a misfire. Hope it didn't end somebody's day badly because the gun didn't go off. But now, this is a piece that I found yesterday. You can hear it rattle. I don't know if you can hear that on the camera or not, but there's something in it. Now, most times when I open these up, it's dirt. But the old timers used to keep their gold in these things. They'd keep a little wood plug or something in it until it got full and then twist them shut and open it up when they wanted to get the gold out. And I'm guessing this one's just full of dirt, but I did find one once that had gold in it. So let's have a little fun here and open this puppy up. Not going to be easy, is it? Well, I see dirt, that's for sure. Yeah, here. Okay, whatever's in it. I see a piece of black sand right there. Come on. And it looks like it's mostly dirt to me. I'll put a little water in it just for grins. If I have some here somewhere. Okay, now we're gonna mix a little water with this and see if it's just all dirt. It looks just like it's full of dirt to me. But it is what it is. Yeah, just full of dirt. Let me get something to dump the top part of that off into. Oh boy. Well, it's too bad it wasn't a mother lode. And like I said, I had one of those before that I opened up, and it actually had gold in it. That was pretty cool. Dump some of this water off. Here though, I'm afraid all we have is good old desert dirt. A piece of black sand. I sure don't see any gold. But it was fun opening it up. You never know. It would have been cool if it was somebody's stash. But just more old junk in the desert. And boy, you know we clean up a bunch of junk in the desert, don't you? Well, so there you have it for this video. Not real exciting, but I was hoping that'd be full of gold. Hoot, hoot. It would have been fun. And maybe the next one I find will be. But as always, if you like these videos, like, subscribe, ring the bell. And hey, at least I got a nugget too yesterday. So it was a good day. Real good day. And I'll see you folks on the next one. Nugget Shooter out.